Hello everyone, I'm Gabriela and today we will be talking about connectors. Do you know which connector to use while contrasting or adding information? If not, let's find out together. Types of connectors. We have connectors of contrast, such as but, although, in spite of, on the contrary, nevertheless, and many more. For example, she was tired, nevertheless, she continued running. We have also addiction, as, furthermore, as well as, also, besides, and many more. For example, she passed the exam. Furthermore, she volunteered to help her classmate. We have also connectors of example. One such example is, in other words, for example, and many more. For example, one such example is our sports center. We have also connectors of sequence. First of all, firstly, secondly, then finally, and many more. For example, firstly, I would like to comment on. We have also connectors of results. As a result, consequently, hence, for this reason, thus, and many more. For example, due to artificial intelligence, men can now. We can also have connectors of cause, such as owing to, due to, in view of, thanks to, and many more. For example, as a result, many people have to move out. Useful expressions for essay or report. It's always said, claim that, on the one hand, on the other hand. My own view on this is that it is reasonable to think that, as opposed to, unlike, there is some resemblance, similarity between. And this is how to subscribe to our channel on YouTube. You can also follow us on the rest of our social media here. This video ends here. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for joining me this week. See you soon!